Hello crypto heroes. I might have just found one of free airdrops out there right now. So this project is called HolmesAI. Their whole thing is building decentralized AI agents. But here's the cool part. They want to create a personalized digital twin, an AI that learns to think, act, and behave just like you. They are running a campaign right now where you can earn points called clues just by interacting with their platform. These clues are supposed to be super important for their future token airdrop and other rewards. And here's the best part, getting started is completely free, no fees, you are just interacting with the platform. First, head to their official website. Right on the homepage, you'll see a button to start trial. Go ahead and click that. Now a connection window will pop up. This is the easy part. Just choose to connect with your Gmail. It is the quickest way, and that's it. Doing this instantly creates your unique AI ID on the platform. Okay, you are in. Now for the fun part, building your AI twin. This is where it gets really cool. Head straight to the personal section. This is where you bring your AI agent to life. Think of this as filling out its personality profile. You will set its category, niche, tone, and expertise level. Here's the magic trick. To make it truly yours, import your past exposts. You can level it up even more by uploading URLs or reference materials to supercharge its knowledge base. And here's a key step. Make your persona public. This lets other people discover it, collect it, and use it to their own agents. The more your persona gets used, the more credits and rewards you earn. It is like your AI twin is out there working for you. Alright, time for your daily of free clues. This is the easiest habit in the world. Every single day you log in, just click your avatar and hit the check-in button. Then head over to the rewards section. This is where it gets satisfying. You can watch your progress, see exactly how many clues you've bagged, and track everything. Now let's talk about boosting your score. Publish and share the AI agents you create. Making them public lets the community interact with them. Get into their official Discord, that is where all the hidden action is, special events, community games, and extra missions all drop there. And finally, get and improve your roles within the project. Leveling these up often acts as a multiplier on all the rewards you earn.